Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today we're going to look at RC crawlers, and I finally have one. Andre over here tried to convince me for many months to get one, and I had no interest in getting a crawler, so I finally got one. So the one I bought is the TRX 4 Sport, and I've upgraded it. I put on stickier tires, so they're stickier rubber, so it should grip, and I put in a light kit. So it looks kind of cool, but it doesn't really add anything to the performance. I've never used it on a course. Andre has a course, and Andre also has a pile of crawlers, but the one he's using today is
the Bronco, the Traxxas Bronco, which is the step up from the Sport, basically.
And have you done any upgrades to it?
Just a light kit. Otherwise, it's stock wheels and everything. So
I'm going to put links below to where you can find these on Amazon or at your local store or wherever I can find links to them. They are not cheap. Let me put it that way, because Traxxas
is expensive.
Traxxas should have his own currency because everything is expensive from Traxxas, but it's quite good. So I have never taken a crawler on a course. Andre's built a course, and that's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to follow him and try not to crash the heck out of my car. So here we go. Okay, so here we have Andre over here. He's got his little controller in his hand. Take a look at his controller. That's for his, and look at mine. Mine looks like it's made for little children. It's only got one dial, one little thingy here, and a set button, and he's got all these switches. That's because he can lock his diffs and unlock them. So he can go two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, am I correct?
Yeah, it's always four, but it's rear lock and then four-wheel lock, and then...
Oh, and you have two speeds.
I have a high and low.
I have just one speed, so I have to be very careful on my controller here. Oh, and you put the Bluetooth module in.
I did. It's
so you can hook up to your cell
useless.
phone. So here's the deal. I'm going to follow Andre. I've got my little truck, and if I move this really slow, I can move slowly forward, but probably not as slow as Andre. So let's see. See if I can get this. Look at that, sticky wheels. Nice.
All right, this one.
So
go up.
It's going up.
This one, you're going to want to run your throttle pretty moderate.
All right. I'm going. Oh, look at this thing go. It's going up there. Oh. Nice.
So in the competitions, it's like if you back up, you hit an obstacle, you lose points, right? But
so I should just turn like a newbie over here and go wide and then come this way.
There you go.
These are supposed to have like almost a 45-degree turn or something.
Well, I probably made this a little tight. Turn and around the corner, see room, and then I'll wait. I'll park her right there.
Okay, here we go.
See if you can do this turn.
That's not going to work. This is not going to come out nice.
Well, if you need to back it up or do a 180 approach.
I'm trying the spin the tires routine. See if that works.
See if it works.
Yeah, that's my goal here. I don't know. This doesn't look like that's going to wrap around. Hang on. Oh, look at that. I can go backwards. You're going to have to time this with a calendar and not a watch. Look at that. Look. I don't know. See, I wouldn't lose points if I kept going. Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
All right. Coming up to yours. Nice course, by the way, so far.
Yeah, we did this on the weekend. I had scrap wood.
Oh yeah, look at him go.
And that's why the bumps are there, and that's why the middle track is there, right?
Oh, that one I gotta come around then. Well, I found the wood post.
All right, ready? Here we go.
Oh, am I supposed to be on the back?
You could have, but you would have gotten teeter-tottered off.
Okay, so should I just keep going or should I stop? Well, I guess that's it. Okay, I'll follow yours through here. Go through the forest. Going over rocks.
Now, see, I can lock all my wheels and I can crawl over this. Now you try that and you'll probably see a lot more spin, but actually your tires might give you a lot of bite.
Yeah, these are permanently locked. They never unlock.
Oh, that's right. Okay, so yeah, you'll have no issues over the boulders.
They're all locked.
So it's all about the articulation.
Yeah, I think that the grass has made your tires kind of wet. There's no grippiness.
Oh, I got no bite.
Oh! That's usually what a dog does when it doesn't want to go for a walk anymore.
Just rolling over.
Just roll over, says forget it.
I'm done. Try it with your tires. I want to see if that's going to be the equalizer.
My nice big sticky tires?
Yeah.
I think
it's just the
super
wet
wood
wood.
To go backwards. I think your logs are defective. Let it go up.
There you go.
Might fall apart too. Look at that thing.
There, now I can see where I'm going. Oh no! I dropped the wheel. I dropped it. Can I get it out? No!
All right, let's try the other one.
Yeah.
I think you made that one too tough. Yes, 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 yes.
Over the crest and then...
That's it, come
There
on.
we go. So a little bit of throttle
Whoa,
work. And then you gotta stand beside your truck and then watch it as it goes up the side. Oh, it's a... You gotta tighten these strings.
Can you do it? Look at the wheels. You're almost off on my side. Whoa! Oh, you just made it. Okay. Watch me fall off this one. Okay. Going nice and slow.
Yep.
Try to keep is my wheel on your side?
Oh, you're good.
Oh, okay, good.
You got lots. You got lots.
Can he do it? Oh, he's down. Keep coming, keep coming.
Oh,
Nice.
there.
Oh, you killed my camera. Yay! Let's see if I can destroy this truck more.
There you go.
Nice. All right, coming down the slide. There we go. Top speed test between the two cars. 3, 2, 1, go. You can beat me. All right, another speed test.
Yep.
This time you say 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah.
Okay. So just slightly faster.
Yeah.
In the long run, yours would definitely be faster. All right, so that was my first attempt at using a crawler, and I want to thank Andre for beating the crap out of my brand new crawler. It doesn't even look new anymore. Thank you again, Andre. Yeah. So if you want to buy one of these crawlers, you can see how much fun they are. We'll be back out again in the fall weather with the nice leaves and trees and rocks, different locations, and we'll give them a shot again, maybe some water, because they are waterproof, and we'll check them out then. But if you would like to buy one of these crawlers, once again, links are below. They're not cheap, because if you get into this hobby, this is sort of considered like the pro hobby line. There's events for this. You can win a lot of money, you know, how good you are with a crawler on a course. I would obviously have to give money away because I suck at it, but it's a lot of fun. So from me, Steve, I say bye and give this a thumbs up. And Andre, final words?
Thanks for coming out, man. That was fun.
I had a great time. All right, see you guys later. Next video.